I want to look younger, but I don't want to look overdone. Our goal is not to change your face. Our goal is to restore harmony, balance, and a natural your self-impression. This is what we call the LUX Method. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Tomoko Okumura, founder and medical director of LUX Clinic in Tokyo. Today, I want to talk about something many patients worry about: overfilled results. You may have seen faces that look too pretty, too heavy, or simply unnatural after filler treatment. And many patients tell me, I want to look younger, but I don't want to look overdone. I completely understand that feeling. At LUX Clinic, our goal is not to change your face. Our goal is to restore harmony, balance, and a natural your self-impression. This is what we call the LUX Method. The first principle of the LUX Method is simple. We never treat just one wrinkle or one hollow without looking at the whole face. Facial aging is not only about volume loss. It is also about skin quality, facial support, bone structure, fat movement, muscle activity, and overall balance. If we simply add filler to every hollow area, the face can become heavy and swallow looking. That is how overfilling happens. So, before injection, I always ask, where has the support been lost? Where does the face need lift? Where does the face need softness? And where should we avoid adding volume? Sometimes the best treatment is not more filler. Sometimes it is a slat lift. Sometimes it is skin tightening. Sometimes it is Botox. And sometimes it is simply doing less. Natural beauty often comes from restraint. The second principle is to respect facial anatomy. A beautiful result depends on placing the right product in the right layer, with the right amount and the right technique. For example, filler placed too superficially can look puffy. Too much filler in the mid-face can make the face look white or heavy. Too much filler around the mouth can change facial expression. At LUX Clinic, I choose the product, dips, and injection point carefully for each patient, because every face is different. Third principle is proportion. A youthful face is not just about filler cheek or smooth lines. It is about the relationship between the forehead, temple, cheek, lips, chin, jawline, and neck. If only one area is treated too strongly, the face can lose harmony. That is why I always design the treatment from a full face perspective. For example, if the lower face looks heavy, simply adding filler to the cheek may not be answer. We may need to restore support in the temple, improve the jawline, or combining filler with a lifting treatment. The goal is not to make one feature stand out. The goal is for the whole face to look naturally refreshed. The fourth principle is gradual treatment. Many patients want a big change in one session, but for natural results, step-by-step treatment is often better. I prefer to make small, precise improvements and then reassess the face. This allows us to avoid unnecessary volume and maintain natural face movement. A good aesthetic treatment should not look obvious. People around you should say, "You look well, you look refreshed, you look restored." Not, "Did you get filler?" That is the kind of result I aim for. The fifth principle is personalization. There is no universal formula for beauty. Some patients need structure, some patients need softness, some patients need lifting, some patients need skin improvement, and some patients need volume reduction rather than more volume. This is why consultation is so important. During consultation, I evaluate the whole face, facial expression, skin condition, and the patient's personal goals. Then I create a treatment plan that fits that individual face. At LUX Clinic, we do not chase trend. We do not create the same face for everyone. We create balance, we create elegance. We create natural results that still look like you. So, if you are afraid for looking overfilled, please remember this. The problem is not filler itself. The problem is using filler without proper design. When filler is used carefully, it can restore support, soften shadow, improve balance, and create a beautifully refreshed appearance. But it must be done with restraint, anatomical knowledge, and artistic judgment. That is the LUX method. Full face assessment, precise placement, balance, proportion, gradual treatment, and natural individualized beauty. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in natural facial rejuvenation in Tokyo, we will be happy to welcome you at LUX Clinic. Please like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comment. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.
You can't